All right, let's go over the posterior plank. Great at home back exercise because it requires no equipment, and you can also do this when you're out traveling on the road, or on vacations. So you'll begin by sitting on the floor, and this will require a lot of shoulder as well as upper chest mobility. Someone like me who lacks as much, it'll show, but if you have better mobility, you could probably perform the better range of motion for this. So what you'll do is start sitting down, legs out straight, arms are off to your side and slightly behind your shoulder line. And so from here, what I'm going to do is squeeze my lower back and squeeze my glutes, raising my hips up, trying to get my torso into a nice straight line, holding for a 1 to 2 count, back down, up, so give it a shot.